We are going to continue with the another part, with the chapter acid, base and salts part 2. In the previous session, we have done the questions of the same chapter, and today we are going to continue this chapter. And in this session also, we are going to discuss the very important questions which can be asked in your exam. There is very much probability that these questions can be repeated. If it not exact, so concept will definitely will be there. So be concentrate, take this class, sit there class with the notebook, with the notepad, and wherever you find the doubt, wherever you are feeling the doubt, just raise your hand and ask me the doubt. So let's start with today's session, acid, base and salt. The first question here is, why should curd and sour substance not be kept in the brass and copper vessels? Can you tell me the answer for this? Why should curd and sour substance not be kept in the brass and copper vessel? What is the reason for this? So let's start this. So what actually happens? We know that brass and copper both are metals. Correct? Can you guys tell me in the chat box what happens when we react metal with acid? Metal plus acid, it gives you what? It gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. Right? Yes. Whenever any metal, yes, very good. Whenever any metal react with acid, it gives you salt and hydrogen gas. Can you tell me in curd what acid is present? You know this, right? In the curd, lactic acid is present. Correct? So lactic acid and sour substance are acidic. Correct? So when we keep the curd and the sour substance, yes, in the brass and the copper vessel, correct, it reacts with the acid present in curd and sour substance, correct, yes, and it gives you the harmful salt, correct. This salt our stomach cannot digest. It cannot be digested. Is that fine, guys? It means that's why, yes, corrosion is also correct answer. Very good, Sumukt. Yes, lactic acid is present in the curd. It reacts with the metal causing corrosion. It generates the harmful salt which our stomach cannot digest. That's why we do not keep curd or sour substances in the brass and the copper vessel. Yes, curd and sour food substance contain acid. These acidic substance combine with metal. This reaction turns food into poison which damage people's health. That is the reason you can also write this reaction. I told you multiple times, when Hi Vaishnavi, I told you multiple times that if you will write the chemical reaction with your answer will stand out. Okay, so and there are chances that you are going to get full out of full marks. So never ever miss writing the chemical reaction. Metal plus acid, it gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so if you will write the language answer also, and don't miss to write the reaction also. Okay, fine. If you guys have understood this question, do give me a thumbs up. I'll move to the next question. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Here is the next one. Metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. Again, whenever there will be a comprehensive question, whenever there will be a passage, so you don't have to get scared with the language or the length of the passage. You have to read that passage and you will find out that it is an easy question. Just by the look, it is very lengthy, so much language is there, right? So don't get scared by the question, just read. Metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. There is a metal A, it has reacted with dilute HCl. The gas evolved extinguish a burning candle. There is a gas evolved which extinguishes the burning candle, and write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compound formed is calcium chloride. Okay, this is the skeleton we have written. Yes? Hi Ruchita. This is the skeleton which I have written according to the question. There is a metal A, compound, metal compound A, not metal. Metal compound A, it is reacting with dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is producing a gas which extinguishes a burning candle. Which extinguishes a burning candle, right? And one of the product is calcium chloride. So can you tell me what will be A here? Can you tell me what will be A here? Any guesses? So see here, you know this, right? Metal with hydrochloric acid, it will form one gas, and calcium chloride is the salt here. Can you tell me what will be the metal compound here? What is A here? Any guesses, guys? Tell me. Okay, so what is the answer here? See, that metal compound is calcium carbonate. Are you guys getting my point? Calcium carbonate will give you calcium 2 plus and CO3 2 minus. And HCl is going to give you what ions? HCl is going to give you what ions? Do let me know in the chat box. HCl will give you H plus and Cl minus. Calcium will combine with whom? Calcium will combine with whom? Calcium will combine with chloride. Carbonate will combine with hydrogen. So what you are going to get? Tell me. Yes, it is going to form calcium chloride, and here from this you will get CO2 gas. Write down this reaction in your notebook. Okay, very good, Sumukh. Calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate reacts with HCl, you will get this salt, calcium chloride, you will get water, and you will get CO2 gas. This is the balanced reaction. Any doubt in this question? Did you understand this? Calcium carbonate. So basically, calcium carbonate, it gives you calcium 2 plus and carbonate. This you don't need to write in the exam. This I am writing just for you. Calcium carbonate, when it reacts with dilute HCl, HCl will give you H plus and Cl minus, and here you are going to get water, CO2 gas and calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, salt. Is that fine? Yes. And what is the property of CO2 gas? CO2 gas extinguishes the burning candle. CO2 gas extinguishes the burning candle. Tell me if you have understood this question. If you want to blow off that candle, right? Yes. So you are going to, if CO2 will pass through that, the fire is going to blow off. So CO2 gas is used for extinguishing the burning candle. So what is the answer? What is the compound A? Compound A is calcium carbonate. Tell me how many of you have understood. Just give me a thumbs up so that I will move to the next question. Is this question clear? Metal compound A, very good, Somukh. Metal compound A reacted with dilute HCl, gave you calcium chloride and a gas which extinguishes the burning candle, right? So CO2 is that gas and calcium carbonate is the metal compound. Okay, very good. Very good, Dhanush. Very good, Vaishnavi. Now let's move to the next question. Why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Very good, Mahalakshmi. So tell me here, to conduct electricity, what do we need? To conduct electricity is, if anything is conductor of electricity, what is required? Can you tell me what is the requirement to conduct electricity? If you will tell me the answer, then I will tell you the answer for this question. For example, wood. Does wood conduct electricity? For example, solid, compound. Does that conduct electricity? Solid means because it has free electrons. Mahalakshmi is telling free ions. Sumukh is telling free electrons. I have told you multiple times that whenever we want something to become conducting, right? Conductor. So any compound to become conductor, either they should have free electrons. Free electrons means negative charge, right? Or free ions. Ions can be positive, ions can be negative. So basically charge is required because it contains free electrons. Dhanish is telling free electrons. For a compound to be conductor, either you need free electrons because it is also charge, negative charge, or you need free ions because it is also either positive or negative. Any compound which contains, correct, any compound which contains charge particle carries the current. Okay, for example, this is charge, okay, this will carry the current, it will pass through it. If this is not charge, if this thing is not charge, this will not be able to pass the current. Are you guys getting my point? That's why whenever we get the electric shock, we try to hold something of rubber or something of wood. That's why it will not pass the current, right? So if you want some compound to conduct the electricity, that compound should have charge. Charge means either negative or positive. Okay, so free electrons and free ions. Clear this is? Tell me if you guys have understood which compound will be conducting in nature. Free charge. Charge can be negative, can be positive, in any form if they are present and they are free. That compound will conduct the electricity. Okay. Aqueous solution of acid. You know that acid releases what? When we put acid in water, it releases H plus. Correct? Yes, you know this, right? Acids are H plus donors. Yes or no? Acids are H plus donors. For example, HCl. It will produce H plus and Cl minus. For example, H2SO4. It will produce 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. HNO3. It is going to produce H plus and NO3 minus. Correct? So acids are H plus donors. Anions and cations are released when acid is dissociated. Absolutely correct. Ruchir, absolutely correct. So acids are H plus donors. H plus is cation. H plus has positive charge, right? So when acid is dissolved in water, you will get ions. And that's why ions are there and they conduct the electricity. So basically, what is the reason here? Charge particles are responsible for the conductance of electricity in any acid. Okay? These charge particles called ions are the reason behind the conductance of electricity in acid. Why acid in water conduct electricity? So what you are going to write? Charge particle. Charge generates. How? In form of cation and anion. Correct? Okay. Will you be able to write the answer if it will come in the exam? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question crystal clear. Charge is responsible for conductance. So when we put acid in water, it generates charge. Positive and negative. And that's why it conducts electricity. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. And can I move forward to the next question? If this question will come in the exam, will you guys be able to write the answer properly? Yes? Okay? Okay. Okay, Mahalakshmi. Very good, guys. Now I am moving to the next question. You have two solutions. Sumukt, Vaishnavi, Ruchir, understood. Now read this question. You have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6. The pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these is acidic? Which one is basic? Okay, fine. So here you have solution A. Here you have B. pH for A is 6. pH for B is D. So which one is acidic and which one is basic? Tell me, guys, which one is acidic and which one is basic here? A is acidic. Very good. Infinite is 1. Very good. A is acid, right? pH less than 7 becomes acidic. And what about B? Very good. B is basic. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Acidic and basic has more hydrogen ion concentration. A has more hydrogen ion concentration. B is basic. Any compound with pH more than 7, it becomes basic, and pH is equal to 7, it becomes neutral. Okay. More acidic means more H plus concentration, right? More H plus concentration. If the compound is acidic, it means that it has more H plus concentration. Correct? Yes. H plus concentration is less in B. That's why it is basic. Very, very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Dhanish. Exactly correct. So here, which one is acidic? A is acidic. Which one is basic? B is basic. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? A has more hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. Have you guys understood this question? This was super duper easy. Do let me know in the comment box if you have understood. Solution A has more concentration of H plus ion. More concentration of H plus ion. More acidic, more H plus ion concentration. Is that question clear? Based on this, I am going to ask one more question. Is that question clear, guys? Can I move forward to the next? Okay. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Okay, so here. Now tell me, I am giving you one question. A, B, C. pH is equal to 2, 3 and 4. You have to tell me which one is acidic and which one is basic, and which one is basic, and who has highest H plus ion concentration. Who has highest H plus ion concentration? Okay. So now let me know the answer for this. I am giving you this question. You guys to solve. Tell me if you have understood this. A is more acidic. A is acidic. B is also acidic. C is also acidic. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Very good, Infinite is 1. Very good, Ruchir. Very good, Sairam. Exactly, all are acidic. Very good. All of them have pH less than 7. They all are acidic. Okay, so guys, tell me who has the highest H plus ion concentration? Who has the highest H plus ion concentration? Very good, Somok. Very good, Ruchir. Very good, Shubham. Very good, Sairam. A is highly acidic here. Yes, you guys know that. Less pH value, high acidity. Correct? Less pH value, high acidity. High acidity means, what is the meaning of high acidity? High acidity means high H plus concentration. High H plus concentration. So, who has the least pH here? A here has the least pH. So, acidity order will be what? A highest, then B, then C. So, A has the highest H plus concentration. A has highest H plus concentration. Okay. Did you guys understand this? Can I move forward to the next question? Less pH means highly acidic. Very good, Dhanish. Okay, very good, Shubham. Dhanish, Shikha, absolutely correct, guys. Good job. Very good. So, my dear students, can I move forward to the next question? Yes. So, here is our next question. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation and the chemical equation involved. Okay. So, first of all, do let me know what is sodium hydrocarbonate. What is the formula? What is the chemical formula for sodium hydrocarbonate? I am waiting for your response, then I will move forward. Yes? Tell me what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated. What is the formula for sodium hydrocarbonate? Sodium hydrogen carbonate it should be. Yes. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the formula for sodium hydrogen carbonate? What is the formula for this? Very good, Mahalakshmi. Very good, Sumukt. Very good, Shubham. Very good, Dhanish. Okay, yes. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate is what? What is the formula for sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate is Na2CO3. Correct? Okay. So, what is going to happen? What is going to happen if sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Whenever you have to show heat, this decomposition reaction. Very good, Shubham. Very good, Ruchir. Very good, Vaishnavi. Yes. So, whenever you have to show it is the compound got heated, you have to make this triangle. This triangle means heat. This triangle represent heat. Heating symbol. So, NaHCO3 on heating gives you what? Yes. Tell me what will be the product here? See here. Heating sodium hydrogen carbonate yields sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide is liberated in the process. Correct? Yes. So, NaHCO3, it breaks down. It gives you sodium carbonate, it gives you water and it gives you CO2 gas. Can you tell me the property? Did you understand this question? This is the chemical reaction. Can you tell me the property for CO2? CO2, option number 1. CO2 helps in burning. Or option number B, CO2 extinguishes the fire. What is the correct statement about CO2? About CO2, what is the correct statement? Yes, very good, Dhanish. Very good, Shubham. Absolutely correct. Can you tell me what is the correct statement about CO2? What is the property for CO2? Yes. CO2 helps in burning or CO2 extinguishes the fire. Very good. Infinite is 1. Sumukt, absolutely correct. CO2 does not help in burning. If something is burning, you have to stop the fire, you will put the CO2. So, CO2 extinguishes the flames. Absolutely correct, Ruchir. Absolutely correct, Sairam, Sumukt, Shikha, Dhanish. Absolutely correct. So, B is the correct answer. Now, is the question clear? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes, absolutely correct, Vaishnavi. So, the next question here is, see here. Just I am giving you some time. Read this question. Yes, very good, Shubham. It decomposes into sodium carbonate, CO2 and water. Here, have a look over this question. Again, this question seems lengthy, but you don't have to get scared by the question's length. It is easy. Okay, just give it a try. Read the question and tell me what you have understood. Equal length of magnesium ribbon. First of all, you have to tell me magnesium is a metal or it is a non-metal. Magnesium is a metal or it is a non-metal. Equal length of magnesium ribbon are taken in a test tube A and B. Okay, so you have taken test tube A and B. In this you have taken the magnesium ribbon. In this also you have taken the magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium, this is magnesium. Hydrochloric acid is added to test tube A. Hydrochloric acid is added to test tube A. So, in test tube A, we have added HCl. Okay. In test tube B, we have added acetic acid. First of all, you guys have to tell me, can you tell me HCl and acetic acid, which one is stronger acid? Absolutely correct. Sumukt, Shubham, Ruchir, Dhanesh. Yes, absolutely correct. It is a metal. Magnesium is a metal. Now tell me HCl and acetic acid. Which one a stronger acid? Which one is a stronger acid? Which one is a stronger acid here? We have taken a magnesium ribbon. In beaker A, we are adding HCl. In beaker B, we are adding acetic acid. Very good, Ruchir. HCl is a very strong acid. HCl is a very strong acid. And acetic acid is a weak acid. Acidic acid is a weak acid. Very good, Sumukt. Absolutely correct. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Yes, absolutely correct. So guys, can you tell me this reaction? Metal plus acid gives you what? I am waiting for your response. Can you tell me metal plus acid will give you what? Yes, Vaishnavi, absolutely correct. HCl is a stronger acid. Yes. Can you tell me metal plus acid will give you what? What is the reaction? Metal plus acid will give you salt plus H2 gas. Yes, very good. Metal plus acid will give you salt plus H2 gas. Don't forget this. Absolutely correct. Sumuk, Ruchir, H2 gas and salt. Correct? Okay. Now here, what will be the reaction? See here. Magnesium plus HCl. Can you tell me what will be the salt? Can you tell me what will be the salt here? And here it is magnesium solid plus acetic acid. Can you tell me the salt here? Can you tell me guys what will be the salt and what will be the here hydrogen gas is fixed? Yes? So tell me Mg plus HCl, Mg plus acetic acid. What you are going to get? The question here is amount and concentration taken for both the acid are same. In which test tube will be the fizzing occur more rigorously and why? First of all, the fizzing is occurring due to the H2 gas. This fizzing, that sound is coming because of the hydrogen gas. The fizzing is due to the hydrogen gas. So, in which one there will be more hydrogen gas? Think and tell me. In which one there will be more hydrogen gas? The more hydrogen gas will be in which case? A or B? Now see here, I'll tell you. There is no need to worry. Magnesium plus HCl. Okay. Magnesium has 2 positive charge. Yes. Here you will get H plus and here you will get Cl minus. So one magnesium will combine with how many chlorine? Yes, very good, Sumukt. One magnesium will combine with how many chlorine? One magnesium will combine with 2 chlorine, and here you are going to get H2 gas. Understood this? Here, fine. Did you understand this reaction? Did you guys understand this reaction? Wherever you have doubt, just ask me. This is the story of beaker A. This is the story of beaker A. Beaker B. In beaker B, what is the thing? We have taken magnesium plus acetic acid. Acetic acid will give you what? Yes, because the reaction gives the product hydrogen. Absolutely correct. Acetic acid will give you acetate ion and H plus ion. And here magnesium will be Mg2 plus. So can you tell me the salt formed here? Yes. Manikanta, because the reaction gives the product hydrogen. Absolutely correct. Yes. So can you tell me here what is the salt here? Can you try? Can you try, guys? What is the salt here? Mg2 plus, and exactly like this. Exactly like this. MgCl2. Here it will be Mg with CH3COO2. And here there will be H2 gas. Tell me if you have understood these two reactions. Tell me if you have understood these two reactions. There was a beaker. In this there was HCl gas, HCl acid, and in this we have put magnesium ribbon. This is your magnesium ribbon. So this will be the reaction. Again here also there is a beaker B. In this we have put acetic acid, and again in this also we have put magnesium ribbon. Correct? Yes. So one thing is fixed. Whether it is HCl or whether it is acetic acid, in both the cases, very, very good. Manikanta, absolutely correct. It is magnesium acetate. Shri Mani, your answer is absolutely correct. It is magnesium acetate. So in both the cases, H2 gas will release, and that's why the fizzing sound will come. Yes, here also H2 gas will release. But in which case more fizzing sound? Can you tell me in which case you will get more H2 gas? Can you tell me in which case there will be more H2 gas? Can you tell me in which case there will be more H2 gas? Yes. What girls? Girls are not giving me any answers. Where is Vaishnavi? Where is Shikha? Where is Mahalakshmi? HCl beaker. Very good, Ruchir. Very good, Mani. In HCl there will be more hydrogen because HCl is a stronger acid. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. HCl is a stronger acid. I am writing here, HCl is a stronger acid. It will release more hydrogen gas. It will release more hydrogen gas. Hence more fizzing sound. Clear? Yes? Okay, Mani, it's your first class. You are from Telangana. Okay, Mani, is there any doubt? Do let me know in the comment box. Yes. So guys, did you understand this question? There are two beakers. In one we are putting magnesium ribbon with HCl, which is a strong acid. In one we are putting magnesium with acetic acid, which is a weak acid. Correct? And you all know metal, yes, metal plus acid. Yes, metal plus acid gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. We can test by bringing a candle near to the beaker. Yes, absolutely correct, Mani. So in both the cases, H2 gas will release. More H2 gas will release in beaker A, where it is HCl, because HCl is a stronger acid. So tell me if you guys have understood this question. So what is the answer for this? Yes, Mani, absolutely correct. We can test the hydrogen gas by bringing near to the candle. Candle is going to blow off. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Okay guys, did you understand this question? Can I move forward to the next question? In which test tube more fizzing will be there? Answer is test tube A. Answer is test tube A, because of the strong acid. Yes? Yes? Okay guys, understood? Mani, you have understood. There is no need to explain again. Okay, you have only given me all the answers. Fine guys, can I move forward? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Very good, Ruchir. That's what, Mani, you are telling with the pop sound. It means you have understood. Very nice. My dear girls, yes, do let me know in the comment box if you have understood. Why test tube A? Because test tube A has the HCl. HCl is the strong acid. A strong acid will produce more H+. More H+ will give you more H2 gas. Is that clear to all of you? More H2 gas will produce more fizzing. Yes? Okay guys, can I move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Vaishnavi, Mahalakshmi. Yes. Very good girls. Chalo. Here I am moving to the next question. Yes. Here. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Explain why. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Explain why. Who is going to tell me what is the formula for plaster of Paris? And where do we use plaster of Paris? Who is going to give me the answer for this? Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. What is the reason for this? Tell me, what is the chemical formula for plaster of Paris and where do we use the plaster of Paris? Have you ever used in your life? Have you ever seen? It reacts with water and becomes hard. Absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good, Shikha. Because it comes in a contact with moisture, it becomes hardened and forms gypsum. Absolutely correct. Yes. Because absolutely correct, guys. Calcium with half H2O. Absolutely correct. So plaster of Paris, the formula here is plaster of Paris. The formula here is calcium sulfate with half H2O. When it combines with water, it forms gypsum. Correct? When it combines with water, it forms gypsum, calcium sulfate with 2 water. Yes, this is the formula for gypsum and it becomes hard. Yes, plaster of Paris becomes hard. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Very good, Sai Ram. We use plaster of Paris for fractures. Yes, exactly. Yes, very good, Vaishnavi. It reacts with water and gets harder and becomes gypsum. Absolutely correct. It absorbs water. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. This is the chemical reaction. This is the POP. POP means plaster of Paris. We want it to be wet. Right? Yes? Exactly. Very good. It is used for bandages. Yes. To make the broken bones. Yes. Proper. Absolutely correct. So it means that you guys have understood this question. Right? Can I move forward to the next question, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. And can I move forward to the next one? Yes? Okay. So here is the next question. Okay. Why do HCl, HNO3, etc. shows acidic character in aqueous solution while solutions of compound like alcohol and glucose do not show an acidic character? Very good, Ruchir, Vaishnavi. Okay, tell me read this question and tell me the answer. They are telling you that why do HCl, HNO3 they show acidic character in aqueous solution? Aqueous means what? What is the meaning of aqueous? Aqueous means in water. Correct? Acha, alcohol and glucose they do not show acidic character. What is the reason for this? What is the reason for this? What about others? Mahalakshmi, Sumukt. Did you guys understand? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood the previous question. As it dissociates more H plus ions than alcohol. Absolutely correct. Okay, fine. So, yes, absolutely correct. HCl and HNO3. HCl when we dissolve in water. HNO3 when we dissolve in water. Yes, acid furnishes H plus in aqueous solution. Am I telling correct? Acids are the compound which gives you H plus ions. Correct? Yes or no? Acid dissociates and gives you this H plus and Cl minus, right? And here it will give you H plus and NO3 minus. Correct? Yes. So, they show, because of H plus, they show the acidic property. Acidic property is due to the H plus. If normal HCl is there, yes, absolutely correct. Normal HCl, normal HNO3, till the time you are not dissolving them into water, they are not going to furnish H plus. H plus is the reason for acidity. H plus is reason for acidity. Okay, fine. So, they give H plus only in the water, aqueous solution. Very, very good. Because HCl and HO3 dissociate into ions in aqueous solution. Which ions? That you need to mention. Acidity is due to the H plus. Which ions? That you have to mention. Very, very good. H plus is the reason for acidity. But alcohol and glucose, they do not furnish H plus ion. They do not furnish H plus ion. We do not get H plus in this case. They do not dissociate into H plus. They are not going to furnish H plus ions. So that's why they do not show acidic character. Understood? Yes? Did you guys understand this? Should I tell this question one more time? Why do HCl and HNO3 shows acidic character? First of all, acidic character is due to H plus ions. Correct? Okay? So, when you put acid into water, they releases H plus ion. Very, very good. When they release H plus ion, they show acidity. Glucose and alcohol does not give free H plus ions. That's why they do not show acidic nature. Okay guys, did you understand this question completely? Can I move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood. Okay? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood. And here we are moving forward to the next question. Okay, Vaishnavi. Next, move to the next question. What about Mahalakshmi, Sumukt? Yes. Okay. Very good, guys. Ruchir, absolutely correct. Now, let's see here next question. Why do acid not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? You are only going to give me the answer for this. Why do acid not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Whoever will give me the correct answer first. Whoever is going to give me the correct answer first, that will be the best student of this class. So tell me the answer. Why do acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Yes, I am waiting for your response, guys. What is the answer for this? Acids do not release H plus ions in the absence of water. Absolutely correct. Infinite in one. Sumukt, as it cannot dissociate into H plus ions. Absolutely correct. So, as I have told you, what is the reason behind acidic behavior? What is the reason behind acidic behavior? H plus ions are responsible for acidic behavior. H plus ions are responsible for acidic behavior. Correct? And acid furnishes H plus. Acids furnish H plus ions only in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. Aqueous means what, guys? Water. In the presence of water. Yes. In the absence of water, acids do not release H plus. Hence, they do not show acidic property. Hence, they do not show acidic property. Okay, did you guys understand this? Fine. Yes, Ruchir, water allows hydronium ion to be released and hydronium ion show acidic character. Absolutely correct, Ruchir. They don't dissociate H plus ions. Absolutely correct, Mani. Absence of H2 ions. Not H2. Mahalakshmi, not H2, H plus. Absolutely correct. Vaishnavi, absence of ions. Which ions? Absence of H plus ions. Yes, hydrogen ions. Very, very good. It's water. In water is there, then there will be no dissociate of ions. Yes, absolutely correct. So, I hope that you guys have understood this question. Can I move forward to the next question, guys? Did you get the clarity about this question? Why acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Can I move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes. So here, okay, Mahalakshmi, Vaishnavi, yes. Okay, so here is the next question. Here, yes, very, very good. Yes, ma'am, experiment, science and music. Okay, fine. So, the next question here is, a milkman, very good, Ruchir. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. First of all, tell me what is present in fresh milk. Can you guys tell me what is present in fresh milk, acid or base? What is present in fresh milk, acid or base? I am waiting for your response. What is present in fresh milk? What is present in acid? What is present in milk, acid or base? Yes, absolutely correct. Acid has, milk has, yes, lactic acid. Absolutely correct. Ruchir, Sairam, yes, absolutely correct. Mani, Sumukt, experiment in science and music. Mahalakshmi, absolutely correct, guys. So, in fresh milk, there is acid. Which acid? Lactic acid. What is the nature of baking soda? What is the nature of baking soda? Baking soda is basic in nature. Baking soda is basic in nature. Yes. And milk is acidic in nature. Milk is acidic in nature. So, why a milkman add a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk? Yes, yes, very good. Not neutral, Ruchir. Baking soda brings down the pH, not neutral. What actually happens, if we want to keep milk for longer time, we want to decrease the acidity, because acidic will make the milk spoil. Milk will get spoiled if the acidic amount will increase in that. Yes, absolutely correct. So the milkman will add small amount of base in milk, so that milk will become slightly basic. Are you getting my point? Are you guys getting my point? Yes. So milkmen add a very small amount of baking soda. Why? Milkmen add a very small amount of baking soda to make milk slightly alkaline. Very slightly alkaline, because if it will be acidic, it is not going to stay fresh for a longer time. Understood? If it is acidic, it is not going to stay for longer time. Fine. So that's why milkman adds a small amount of baking soda to make milk slightly alkaline. Correct? Acha. Why does he shift the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Because baking soda is basic in nature. Correct? Why does this milk take long time to set as curd? Because it takes long time to set as curd, because the milk is now basic. Yes, all the acid present in milk got neutralized. So it will take more time to set as curd. Correct? Very good, Ruchir. Very good, Dhanish. So it should only be closer to neutral but not neutral. Very good, Ruchir. So that milk is not spoiled. Yes, absolutely correct, Ruchir. Absolutely correct. Yes. Okay. Okay, Vidya Bharat, absolutely correct. So why does this milk take a long time to set as a curd? Who will tell me the answer for this? Because acid present in milk, got neutralized by baking soda. Yes, because baking soda is base. That's why it will take more time to set as curd. Yes. Okay, fine. Understood, guys? This question, have you understood? He shifted the pH of the fresh milk to 6 to slightly alkaline to prevent milk from getting sour due to the production of lactic acid. More baking soda will neutralize the acid and it will stop from milk to get more acidic in nature. You have seen, right? Fresh curd is not sour in taste. Yes, but with time, with days, it becomes very sour, and sometimes it becomes non-bearable. We can't eat that much sour curd. Why? Because with time, amount of acid in curd is increasing. Same will happen with the milk also, and that's why milk gets spoiled. So if we want to stop the spoilage, if we want to increase the life of milk, we have to add small pinch of base, so that it will become alkaline. Okay, fine. This milk takes a long time to set into curd because the lactic acid produced here first got neutralized the pH, and then pH is reduced to turn milk into curd. Understood? Yes. Yes. Vidya Bharat, absolutely correct. Yes. Okay. Did you guys understand this question? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes. Okay, so do give me a thumbs up if you have understood what is happening when the milkman is adding the baking soda. Yes. Okay, chalo. Do give me a thumbs up. Here is our next question. Just a second. Okay, fine. So guys, here all our questions got over. I hope you guys have understood all the questions. Do you guys have any doubt? Do let me know in the comment box. It increases the shelf life of milk. Absolutely correct, Bharat. Absolutely correct, Ruchit. Do let me know, guys, if you have any doubt in this session. All our questions got over. In the next class, we are going to do the periodic classification. Yes, in the next class, we will do the periodic classification. Okay, guys. So when we will meet in the next class, which is on Tuesday, we are going to do the periodic table, periodic classification in the next class. Okay, guys. I hope you have found this class useful. Yes. Okay. And if you have found this class useful, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like the channel. Okay, guys. So I'll meet you in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.